violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. The spectrum of 7 colors, Vibjor. Also, the colors of our chakras in Kundalini. Imagine a reality in black and white. It would have been very dull, and the perception would have been so monotonous, so monochrome, that we could not have differentiated between two objects. But today, if I want to differentiate between apple and a green apple and a red apple, I can, because I have two separate frequencies of light entering my eye. But what is this color? This is the biggest question that is in my mind. Is color a reality? Is reality real? Let's find that out. I have two colors with me. One is orange and one is black. Well, this was not orange by default. Humans named it orange. This shade that you see, this is the shade that you do, whatever you see here is called black. Black is nothingness. Now these are two colors. One is single color, which is monochrome, and this is no color, henceforth it's black. So what is actually a color? And why do we love this reality so much? We always go for RGB equipments, we go for so many different variety of colors. Whenever we see nature, we find a mix of different colors and we are inspired by it. We are in awe of the beauty that is given to us. But is this beauty real? Or is it a mere perception of a human mind? Is this beauty being created in your own brain? The answer is yes. A white light is a mix of 7 colors. When a white light enters a prism, it divides into 7 parts because of the different wavelength of 7 colors. Each color travels slightly differently in a single medium. There is a deviation depending upon the wavelength and the speed of a particular color. Each color is a frequency. It's a frequency and a very small section of the entire electromagnetic spectrum which our eyes are tuned to, and we catch those spectrum, and that frequency, when it enters our eye, our brain responds to it and creates a reality. So if the frequency of the wavelength falls in the range of red color, then our brain is going to interpret it as red color. If the light never reaches our eye, there is no color. So what will happen if this orange object is watched or viewed in a dark room? It is invisible. That means our vision is actually an interpretation or an image creation in our mind. Our eye is the window to the world, but our brain actually interprets the entire reality based on the laws of physics. We are tuned to only the visible spectrum, which is called visible spectrum because we can only see those 7 colors, but there are hundreds of spectrum outside this spectrum that we don't see. That means a lot is happening in the world that we don't perceive. What we see is only a perceivable reality, that is a very small fraction of the actual reality, and that is the question that make me think, are we creating our reality? Because the answer is yes. The moment the light do not fall onto an object, the object loses its color. Every single object has its own color, has its own signature, because the photons of the light, when it falls on an object, the atoms, the electrons, excites and then falls back to the ground state, thereby releasing a particular wavelength. If the wavelength falls anywhere within the range of the visible spectrum, and when that wavelength goes into our eye, the brain will interpret. If it is in a certain wavelength, that is a fusion of 2 colors, we will mix the color and our brain will perceive. And this is why perception of color is different in different human beings depending upon their own color processing quality. This is exactly how the camera works. The color correction has to be done if you shoot a video from a Canon camera or from a Sony camera. Each camera will have a different color reproduction scheme. Few people see more colors than other people in the world. That means the reality for you can be different than the reality for me. The definition of red for you is different than the definition of red for me. But because it falls in the broader range, a red for you is also a red for me, but there is no way to tell what red are you looking at, whereas there is no way to explain what red am I looking at. So this means that our existence is actually a perception. If there is no color, that means there is no reality. So are we creating our own reality. Because if we don't see, what is the guarantee that it exists? That is the existential question. What will be your answer? Comment your views and comment your answers in the comment section. That how can you relate this with astrology? A small tip, it's moon, which is a reflected reality. I will make another video, how does the position of moon in a chart relates with color and how can you create a color therapy out of this. Subscribe to this channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss another update. We'll meet in the next such interesting videos. Till then, bye-bye.